Maguire's universe is cooked. Now the plot for Avengers Doomsday got leaked and is not looking good for our friendly neighborhood hero. So far, Deadpool and Wolverine are going around destroying universes together to save their own. And unfortunately, our GOAT Tobey is one of them. But you already know the GOAT not going down without a fight. So he takes on Wolverine and Deadpool and beats them. But they still manage to plant the bomb that destroys universes, and the device goes off, taking out Tobey and Wolverine as Deadpool escapes back to his universe. Now there's some speculation to this that Wolverine and Spider-Man survive and get away somehow, so MJ, Aunt May, and J. Jonah Jameson, they're all gone.